welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this, which is kind of like a freshly turned vampire, hence the neck. If you do want to see how I did this video, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Loads more Halloween stuff coming, so stay tuned enjoy the video. Okay, so I've been wearing makeup today. Don't know if that's cheating or not. I guess it's kind of not, but it's starting to wear off, so I'm going to do this now. So this is a good tutorial, I guess, if you have just finished work or you're finishing whatever you've been doing in the day and then you're going out for Halloween after. This is going to be a good day to night switcheroony. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put some contacts in first, I think. Now these are from I Spy Eyes. I think it doesn't actually say. I've got one in here and I've got these two. I think I'm just going to open these. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got these from I Spy because I bought a couple of things from them. So what I normally do is pull my lid down, put it on my eye, slide it up, boom. Sometimes they do slide around until there's like a little bit of air or whatever underneath. Perfect. And that's what they look like. So actually they do show up really well on dark eyes. So I'm going to go in with a mixture, I think, with the colour Guilty and the shade Liquor, which is down here. Where? There? No? Here. Liqueur or Liquor and Guilty. I think I'm going to use them too. But I'm going to mix the shade Guilty in with... just moving all this up. I'm going to mix the shade Guilty in with this red, which is actually a shade from eBay. However, it's really, really good. I was really shocked at how good it was. So this is going to be a little bit difficult because normally I do a wet base, but we're just gonna wing it. Right, so I'm going to use this brush, which is a Morphe MB25 brush, which looks like this. And I'm going to go straight into that red. And I'm going to apply it into the crease above. I haven't done a eyeshadow look or anything on a non-wet base for a while, so this could be a little bit rusty. I'm going to grab a brush and I'm going to go into a lighter shade to blend that out. Or a clean brush will be just fine. And this is when we go into the darkness. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that brush that I used to blend and I'm going to take it under here because it's quite a good brush. Okay, no, I'm going to go straight into the shade Liquor, which is like a dark purple. And I'm going to bring it into the centre of my eye and onto that lid. So I'm probably going to go in with a little bit more Liquor or Liqueur to make this under eye a little bit darker. Just use this. I'm going in with the Zoe brow palette and it's just the darkest shade. And I'm just going to make them a little bit darker. Right, now I've done the concealer, I'm going to go in with contour, I think. This is the bronzer W7. I don't know what that stands for. But it's this. And I'm going to use the Technic contour brush. I think this is contour. And I'm going to work it right into here. And then I'm going to bring it down slightly. Okay, so changing mine. I'm using the Stacey Beverly Hills palette, contour palette. I'm going in really sharp and then blending it down here. It's going to give you that real strong jawline. You can cinch it up as high as you want. And make sure you end it at the bottom. This eye has gone completely foggy. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm wearing leggings and I do this, which isn't good, but I'm just taking the excess off on my leggings. And then I'm just going to blend that down my nose. Then what I think I want to do is add on some like little tiny veins. So this is Snazzaroo. I have been using another colour, which is why it looks slightly dirty. Anyway, I'm going to take this tiny little brush and really gently do little wiggles. Brush that I used on the veins. And I'm going to go around my lips with this shade called Black Velvet. In with Leo Lip Kit from Kylie Jen Jen. A lot easier than I thought it would. So I've stuck that on. I'm now going in with the Technic palette, and I'm going to use a little bit of the blue, a little bit of the purple and a bit of the red, and like a mixture to add a little bit of bruising. I used this, my dog actually chewed it up, but it makes a really good texture for like skin and like mottled effect, so I'm going in with that. So thanks to the dog. I'm using a bit of green too actually. Then I'm going in with Scab Blood. Getting a big wad of this out and apply it to here. And this is the finished look. I actually love how it looks. I love that, I love these little bits under the eyes. I think it really makes a big impression. I don't know what's the word. Anyway, I really hope you like this look. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's loads more Halloween stuff coming. I will list all the ingredients? What? All the stuff below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!